Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ryan and this is Casper. One of my tires is actually missing this little centerpiece and I just ordered one. It should be here within the next week or so. So it's gonna fit right here. So whenever I bought the car, it just didn't come with one. And I was like, well, I'm gonna go searching for one so that it will complete the look of how it's supposed to originally look. I also replaced the antenna. It was like the really long antenna. It was like up to here. I'm actually gonna show you a video soon of me replacing the antenna. And it looks actually pretty cool. It looks more sporty to me. All the parts that I just mentioned are gonna be in my description below. And as always guys, I will see you in the next video.